everybody. Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Happy Memorial Day weekend. I've got a great demo for you today.
This is so fun.
This is so fun. I did this for my daughter, my oldest daughter, when she was in middle school for her birthday party. We made a pig watermelon pig. They're still talking about it. And it's so simple to do. I got the biggest watermelon I could find. In retrospect, I should have got a small one because I'm going to have people line up around the block to eat this because it's going to be so much.
We're going to make it happen.
Okay. So with a few simple cuts, you can have yourself a fruit luau. So what we're going to do, now I failed already. The butt end should have had like the squiggly stem to be the tail, and I wasn't even thinking when I was at the store. But you're not going to mess up. You're going to get one with a squiggly tail, and that's going to be the butt. The face part is going to be where the flower was from the watermelon plant, so that's going to be the face. You're going to want to put the flat side that it was growing on down so that it's nice and stable on the table and somebody doesn't bump into it and this all dumps over.
Just remember, stable on the table.
That's right. So the way we're going to begin is we're going to go about 1/3 of the way in, and we're going to make a cut across halfway through. So this is going to be the face. And this is going to be the giant bowl full of delicious fruit. So then we're going to go down a little bit, halfway about, and cut around. Make sure you don't cut off its tail end, its butthole.
Oh!
So then this is not very even. But it's so simple.
Oh, it smells so fresh.
Oh, and it is. And I made the mistake of getting a seeded one too.
Ah!
I really screwed up big time here. So now we have the task of scooping balls out. So we're going to scoop as many balls out of this as we can. Anything that looks shrapnel-y, put in a separate dish, and you could use that to make watermelon ices or blend it up and make like a watermelon smoothie,
That'd be
something
delicious.
like that. So let me do the work. I'm getting this all scooped out, which is going to take a few minutes, and then I'll show you how to put this together. All right, guys, Maddie had to go out, so I am doing this solo. So bear with me. I scooped out most of the shell. I left this part so that after the party or whatever you're doing. Oh, hello. I could just cut it off here, and this will be more plain watermelon to eat, but I'm leaving it for right now. You should probably think about doing this morning of, or if you're doing this the night before, do the complete shell and keep the fruit separate and put it in day of, right before the party. You could even do a bed of ice and put this in the bed of ice. That would look really cool, I think. Right? I think it would. So what I've already started doing here is, this is going to be like a fancy Coachella pig. And it's got a strawberry flower crown. So I've cut down some skewers that I've had over here because I don't have any toothpicks. Or at least if I do, I'm not going to go digging for them. So I just cut these down. And I stuck them in over here. And I'm just going to continue around and do my flower crown. And then whatever I have left over, I'm going to make a little barrier around the lip of the pig bowl. So let me get the strawberries in place and I'll show you what's next. All right, it's looking pretty good. Got all my strawberries in place. Now this pig's going to need a face. I just want to tell you guys, I didn't use all of the watermelon. Here's the shrapnel part. I'm going to sit down after I'm done filming and eat that myself and drink the juice. I'll drink the blood of this pig. Fruit juice. And this I will serve for dessert tonight. Or you could even freeze it and do like watermelon ices with that. So whatever you want. If you don't want a big pig, get a smaller watermelon. Get a seedless watermelon like I probably should have. So from the part that I cut off the shell, I saved these parts. I made a little somewhat round nose. I made 2 ears, which are just triangles. And I made the 4 feet, which, you know, it was just one wide cut. And then I divided it to the size that I thought feet should be. So I'm just going to use my toothpicks to stick those on. But we also need some eyes. So what I'm going to do is, got to get the toothpick in there. I'm going to use blueberries for the eyes. So I'm going to find my biggest blueberry as my dog digs behind the refrigerator. What on earth are you doing? I'm going to get those on. Well,
What's that noise?
That's someone's doing their lawn, Sean. Alright, so we got the eyes on. We're going to stick the nose right here. And we're going to use 2 more blueberries for the snout. 2 smaller ones. We're going to use these big toothpicks for that. And then we're going to just stick the legs on and I'll show you how to fill it up. Alright, this Coachella pig is looking pretty sweet. Alright, this Coachella pig is looking pretty sweet. We got the ears and the face on. We've got the feet on. We're all ready to fill it up now. So I'm not using all of the watermelon. You can use just watermelon to fill it up if you want. But I'm going to use a combination of the balls of watermelon, avoiding as many seeds as possible because you really don't want people to work too hard as I put cherries in with still the pits. You could pit the cherries, but I just didn't have time, and I'll be careful because I'm not serving this at a party. But if I was, I would go ahead and pit the cherries ahead of time. And also some fresh blueberries. So I'm not going to toss it and put it in. I'm just going to layer it in as best I can because I don't want to move it around so much that the watermelon's going to get broken up and mushy. So let me just layer this in and we will check back with the finished product. Alright, the old girl is done. We've got all our fruit in the backpack here and I think it looks pretty cool. I wish I was having a Memorial Day weekend party so that I can show off my pig, but I guess I'm just going to have to enjoy it all by myself. Well, with my family, of course. But I hope you give it a try for a vegan luau. It can't be beat. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up because it helps me know that you liked it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know if you want to see anything particular in the future in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Until next time, much love.